Hey there, my name is Shawn Cantrell and I'm the leader of the Schools and Sports program over here at H&H Color Lab. And today I want to talk with you about how to get the schools to help you market Picture Day. Okay, so you've got your Picture Day set, you know what types of service items, ID cards, exports, all that stuff the school needs. You know how many rigs you're bringing to Picture Day, you know how you're going to keep track of everybody. You've got your marketing set up, you've got flyers printed, signs put up, all the different activities are going on. But one of the other things that you want to do is you want to get the school to help you market Picture Day. This can be really helpful, but sometimes it can be really difficult to get them to help you. And it's not because they don't want to help you, because let's be honest, a lot of times they're getting part of the fundraiser or commission for this particular Picture Day sale. And so they are motivated to help you out. They just don't know how, and they're busy, teaching and helping, keep all these kids organized and learning and cooperative and all those fun little things. But Picture Day marketing is just another thing they have to deal with. And if it's not the most urgent thing, they're gonna put it off. They may not be able to do it well. And so we want to help them do that easily. And that's where Imago can come into play here. So the first thing I wanna show you is how you can give them a single link to use for all of their events. So, when you're photographing a school, you're not just doing the fall photos. You're not just doing the spring photos. There's the sports, dance, prom, homecoming, yearbook sales. There's a lot of different picture opportunities for the students and their families of the school. And so to have different events for each of those opportunities, to have different links sometimes makes sense for you and your project organization and making sure parents find the pictures they care about. But to ask the school to manage all those different links, let's just be honest, is not going to go well, right? So how can we make it simple for them? And that's where this idea of having an organization page really comes into play. So let's take a look what that means in your Imago. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take a look at what does it look like as a customer. So this is what your customer is going to be seeing when they're coming to your page. Now, this isn't the primary way you're getting your customers to the project they care about. That's where the email and text marketing come into play and the flyers come into play. Those are still great tools for marketing. But let's just say we're doing those things already. What else can we do? This is some of this what else stuff. And what the what else here is how can the schools get us to where they want to go? So I've got a page here devoted to the different organizations that we're photographing. You can see here I've got 7 or 8. And so what I've got here is each of these represents a school or an organization that I'm photographing at some point this year or previous years. The nice thing about this is I can use the same link right up here year after year after year after year. And as long as I'm photographing and serving that school, they can keep using that same link as they're helping spread the word about all the different Picture Day opportunities. Because when parents follow that link and come to this page, they can see something set up just for them. It's got their school logo. It's got some pictures that I've taken around the school on there. So they recognize this is where they need to be. And then down below, I can have a nice greeting message saying, hey, welcome, here's some information you should probably know, and pick the event that you want to order from right now. And so this list of events automatically gets managed based off of what Picture Day opportunities are available right now. And so all they have to do is then click on the one that they care about and they're ready to start ordering. So again, that's one way of getting people to the project they care about. We're not discounting marketing from emails or text messages or any other marketing materials. That's just one way that as the school's sending out links, just have them keep sending out or posting this link. Maybe there's a link on their website to order school pictures or order yearbooks, click here. And it just takes them there and they don't have to keep changing that up. It can be the same thing all the time. So let me show you how to set one of these up on Imago real quick. First thing you want to do is head over to your projects and go into active organizations. You can click on create new organization right there, and we want to give it a name. In this particular case, I want to set up an organization for a new soccer league that I just signed. So we're going to call this, let's see here, the Highlanders Soccer Club. And the URL, we're going to call it Highlanders. Keep it nice and simple. So it's the name of the studio, access my event, Highlanders. Pretty straightforward. And now it's that simple. I've got the site set up. It doesn't look so great right now. You can see it's very boring. Nothing going on here. So let's make it look a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab a cover image for this particular job. I'm gonna grab that. And this could be something that you already have pre-set up, or you can go out there, in this case, maybe photograph the fields for that soccer field, just something that they recognize is their school, is their league, is their organization. Put that in there. Then we're going to come over here and grab a search results image. So what's the icon or the image that we should use for finding that? So those things are loaded in there. Let's go take another look and refresh. Looking a little bit better, Still not a whole lot going down here. So let me add a little bit more information. And that's where I can manage this organization page. So I've got some text that I want to put in here. Let me go grab something real quick that I've already got, and I'm going to tweak it from this space. So I'm going to grab some of this information from one of my other organizations, and I'm going to drop it in there. I'm going to swap out a few things here. So welcome to your place for the Highlanders soccer portraits and photo gifts. Straightforward, I like it. Word class guarantee and happiness guarantee. Some things you should know. You need to order before picture day. All of the information there. I don't need that line, so I'm gonna delete that. And there, I like it. Looks pretty straightforward. Let's just see how it's gonna look on a mobile device. It's a bit text heavy. Maybe I wanna drop an image in there, so let me do that real quick. I'm gonna just grab something from my media library. Let's use this image there, paste. I like it, hit save. Now let's go back and check. It's a bit big, let's make that a little bit smaller. So let's just, look at that, preview that on desktop, shrink that up a little bit, and there we go, perfect. All right, so now it's set and ready for me to add any projects to this, and now parents can use that link as the school sends it out to get to the projects they care about. They'll be listed down here as they become available. And let's just go back to that home page just to make sure it's showing up how I want. There we go. And it's just that simple. It's now set up and ready for you to start adding projects and letting the school or the league start sharing those links to help you market your upcoming picture day events. If you like what you've seen here and you're ready to get started with Imago, then use the link below to sign up, and I'll see you in the next video.